To change icons shape in the POCO X8 Pro, as you can see, currently I've got square icons instead of the circle. So it's quite easy because you have to just go into the settings, open personalization, and now select themes. Right now you have to find theme with the icons that you like. So here, if you are gonna open any theme that is available, you can get preview of those icons. So as you can see here, we can find square icons. Here we can find, circle icons. Here we can find square icons on this one, and on this one also. It's also gonna change its color. So you have to just find something that fits your preferences. And right now you will have to click to download this specific theme. Click on the customize and just only select to get icons. Now click apply and you will get it. Take a look, that's how it looks.